So, not too long ago, I reached 15,000 subscribers, and as a thank you, I thought I'd teach you how to do the same with a step-by-step guide. I wish I could teach you how to make a channel with like 100k or more subscribers, but I clearly have no idea how to do that. Anyways, step 1 starts with making a YouTube channel. The most important part here is your name, because it's going to be your channel name. If you already have a YouTube account, I suggest making a new one so that you can become your first subscriber, and commenter, and viewer. Anyways, common tips for choosing a name include being catchy, easy to spell, and being sensible. My advice is to play it safe and name yourself something catchy with no particular meaning. That's why I'm named Zorosoro. If you're not happy with your name, don't stress over it too much because you can change it later. Alright, so now step 2 is to make your first video, because videos lead to views, and views lead to subscribers. Thanks to innovations in technology, all you really need to get started is your smartphone. But Mr. Zorosoro, how do I make videos like yours? Unfortunately, this isn't the video where I teach you how to do that. That comes later, so subscribe and stay tuned for it. Anyways, once you're done with your likely viral success of a video, hit that upload button and wait for the views and subscribers to pour in. That's what you'd like to happen, but in reality, you'll soon realize that the views you get are probably all your own, and that the only likes you got is from your other YouTube accounts. That step is important, because it's where you'll learn that growing an audience on YouTube isn't as easy as it looks, unless you're a girl and can show off your boobs and butt. It's also when you make the decision of either to give up on the YouTube dream, or continue to step 3, which is to learn tips and tricks on how to improve your craft and grow on the ever-saturated platform that is YouTube. To save you some time, here's the tips I use. Number 1, target a niche. You're a small channel, so chances are that if you target popular subjects, you'll go unnoticed. Or you can be like me and target popular subjects that few people have the guts to talk about. Number 2, know your competition so that you know what hole you can fill in your niche of a market. Number 3, give your audience some unique value out of watching your videos so that they have some incentive to subscribe. Most of my audience appreciates it when I talk about penises. Number 4, good titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails. At least one of those reasons is why you're watching this, right? Number 5, be unapologetically you, especially if you're trying to make a gaming channel. People usually watch you for your character, not your subpar gameplay of PUBG and Overwatch. But Mr. Zorosoro, I'm boring. If I can get here with my personality, I'm sure as hell you can get here with yours. Number 6, engage and interact with your audience. They're your friends. Don't you want to get to know them? Number 7, marketing. It's rough when you first start. No one knows who you are, so make sure to annoy people to watch your videos on relevant social media and viewer aggregators. And finally, number 8, before uploading a video, ask yourself, would you watch it? You are your number 1 fan, but you are also your best critic. Alright, so now that you know some tips, move on to step 4, which is to create content with the tips you've learned and watch the views pour in your dreams. Now, with anger coursing through your veins and motivation being your only driving force, it's then time to move on to step 5, which is repeating steps 3 and 4, with emphasis on step 3. If step 3 sounds hard for you, I recommend making a reaction channel. I'm looking into that myself. Anyways, soon you're going to be gaining a following from uploading quality content on a consistent basis, or just enough so that your subscribers don't think you're dead, and so that the YouTube algorithm doesn't forget about you. When that happens, you'll want to work on your branding, and along with it, launching a Patreon as well, because you're going to come to realize that the only way you make a living off this thing is by begging for money. Here's mine with some of the benefits. I'm nearing the end of what I have to say, so I just want you to remember that in life, you learn what to do by learning what not to do. So if gaining the approval of strangers across the world on YouTube is something that you want, give it a try. Just be patient and don't be afraid of changing things up. I hope you found this useful, and if you did, subscribe for more of this kind of thing. I don't know, if that's not enough incentive, I'll do a face reveal at 100k, which might very well never happen. Have any questions or think I missed something? Leave them in the comments. Have a nofap joke? Leave it in the comments. Annoyed by how I fill up these 20 seconds of end screen time? You know what to do. And remember to subscribe, like, and share.